In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Line app cache. Before we dive in, here's why this is useful. The cache is a collection of temporary files that help Line load images, stickers, and media faster. Over time, that cache can grow and make the app feel sluggish or take up extra storage on your device. Clearing it gives you a quick performance refresh without deleting your chats, friends, or purchases. Start by launching your Line app. If you haven't opened it in a while or recently reinstalled it, you might see a login screen. Go ahead and log in if prompted so you're fully signed in and can access the settings menu. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Once you're on the main screen, make sure you're in the Home tab. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your profile and a list of features. On many devices, it's the icon that looks like a house at the bottom. In the top right corner of Home, tap the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. If your interface looks slightly different depending on your device or app version, the gear will still be near the top of the screen. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Chats. Tap Chats. This is where Line keeps options for message-related preferences and storage controls. Next, tap Delete Data. Don't worry, this doesn't automatically erase your conversations. Think of this screen as your storage manager, where you can choose exactly what to remove. On the Delete Data page, look for the row labeled Cache. You'll see a Clear button next to it, sometimes along with the current size of your cache. Tap Clear next to Cache. This tells Line to remove only those temporary files, like cached images and thumbnails, that are safe to delete. You'll see a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. Read the prompt, then confirm the action. Line will clear the cache, which usually takes just a few moments. When it's done, you should notice that storage usage drops, and the app may feel a bit snappier. Your chats, stickers, purchases, and friends remain intact, and you won't lose any messages by clearing only the cache. That's it. You've successfully cleared the Line app cache. If your device is low on storage or the app starts to slow down again in the future, you can revisit these exact steps and clear the cache as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep Line running smoothly.